Oh my gosh, you guys. Unbelievable news. Today is, you guys, seriously, this is only my third video. My third video on YouTube. After 2 videos, word spread like crazy. You cannot believe what's going to happen today. This is one of the most important achievements in my life so far. Video number 3, and I have the honor to make a duet. To have a duet with one of the most outrageous singers and songwriters like myself, Jason Sounds, Bruno freaking Mars, you guys. Bruno freaking Mars. I have Bruno Mars with me today, you guys. I'm gonna Skype with him, do a duet song to Talking to the Moon, you guys. It does not get any better than this. You guys, say hi to Bruno Mars. Did you see him? Did you see Bruno Mars? Oh my gosh. Bruno, hold on. We only get one shot at this. I don't care if you're busy. Shoot. You guys, we're gonna be singing together. Bruno, hold on. God, I swear, superstars, they think they... Please, you're the one who contacted me. Alright, you guys. Well, like I said, we're gonna be singing Bruno Mars, Talking to the Moon, with Bruno Mars. And I am just super stoked, you guys. He's gonna be going first. I'll go second, and I'll show him off. I'll show him what's good. All right, Bruno. Show him what you got. You better not be showing off because I get to go second and show you off, bitch. Oh my goodness, guys, this is amazing. After 2 videos. All right.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you there. I want you there.
Show off.
My neighbors think I'm crazy. They don't understand. You're all I had. You're all I had. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
Go, Bruno.
In hopes to walk the other side, talking to me too. Am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon?
Alright, Bruno, good job. My turn now. Whoa, whoa. I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad. Yeah, I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Whoa. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side and talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Whoa, whoa. Hit it, Bruno. And yes, I always hear you calling. And 'cause every night I'm talking to the moon, trying to get to somewhere far away. Thanks, you guys. Can you believe it? Bruno Mars. Thanks again, Bruno. That was, you know, it was alright for you. It was just, there was some pitchiness here and there, and, you know, it's understandable. You're kind of in shock because you're in the presence of Jason Sounds, but, you know, I mean, look at his face, you guys. He's just in total shock. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much. I had fun making this video. Please comment, subscribe, and just show me some love, you guys. Audience is all I really care about, and whether I hit it big, whether I hit it small, whatever ends up happening, I'm not going to stop singing. Holy crap, my voice cracked in one of the spots. Yes, I know, just in case you didn't think I noticed, but I had fun still, nonetheless. And you guys, le hicimos.